Are you sick of your 9-to-5 job? Looking for ways to earn money through various side hustles? If yes, then you have just landed on the right video. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to take a look at the top 10 side hustles by which you can easily make extra money. So make sure to stick with us till the end so that you don't miss anything. Number 10. Google Adsense. You can earn easily through Google Adsense by creating a website and then let Google Adsense do the rest of the work for you. You basically sell your space on the website to Google and then various ads appear. You earn when your visitors click the ad. The amount you earn per click depends on the traffic to your blog or website. Many people make 100 to 1,000 a month with an average traffic level of the website. Text link ads and blog ads are some other platforms for online advertising. Number 9. Affiliate marketing. You can collaborate with some brands related to your website and they will provide you with a specific code. Whenever someone buys by using your code, you will get your share and easily earn money. You can also learn the skill of virtual assistantship, and you might have heard a lot about it recently. As a virtual assistant, you have to provide administrative services to your client outside their office. It is a home-based job and all you need to do is book important meetings, hotels, plan important documents. 8. Consulting. Another side hustle on the list is consulting. If you consider yourself an expert in any field, then you can provide your services of consulting online. Many people will reach you to get advice for business or personal goals and will be ready to pay you in return. Number 7. Online courses. Many people earn by giving tuitions in their neighborhood, but now online tutoring is considered more rewarding. Instead of giving a face-to-face class, you can teach at any time you want, just with the help of a laptop. There is no need to buy expensive cameras to record lessons now, because there are many sites that directly help you reach your client. You just need to come online, teach, and get paid directly to your bank account. You can also offer your service of tutoring online on many websites. You can also set hourly payments for yourself. You can start from $10 per hour to $50 per hour, depending on the response from the clients. Some of the famous sites are Chegg, Clubz, eTutor World. 6. Podcasts. You can easily earn a lot of money through podcasts. You will be surprised to know about the money companies will offer you to add a short clip of their videos at the start of your podcast. You can easily find sponsors and advertisers if your podcast has a greater reach. Number 5. Freelance writing. The most famous way to earn money online, and indeed the most common side hustle, is freelancing. There are several platforms including Fiverr and Upwork. It's the most reliable platform where a client will directly contact you for the services you choose to offer. All you need to do for freelancing is to learn a basic skill. Let that be or designing or any other skill you have an interest in. You can start by setting up your account according to your niche and then offer your services for a fixed amount of money you like. The least you can set is $5. With only a few months of hard work and dedication, you can earn up to $1,500 a month. Many people will quit their jobs to become a freelancer because no doubt the return in this work is far greater than a 9-to-5 job. But you have to keep in mind that you only get paid when the task is done and approved by the client, which also included doing unlimited revisions until the client is satisfied. Or Instagram sponsored posts. If you have a blog on Instagram or Facebook, then different brands can contact you and send different products for you to try. Not only that, but they also pay you per post to feature their products on your profile. So try out making an Instagram blog as a side hustle, as it can earn you a lot of money without practically doing much. 3. Online community. Here's the easiest way to earn money by sitting at home without giving much time to it. Many of my friends are doing this and earning a handsome amount of money. All you need to do is to make a Facebook group or page. Try to promote your group and add as many members as you can. Having an influential personality can serve as a cherry on top. Make a group related to makeup, blogging, or cooking. Ask your friends to post their daily videos in the group. As the number of your members starts to increase, you can charge people for posting their stuff in the group. This group can be used by people to sell their different stuff, and all they have to do is pay you monthly for coming live and selling their products. Number 2, lead sales. Build a website and then leave everything on it. If you own a popular website that has huge traffic, then you can find many companies which will pay you to share the personal information of the people who visit your website. 1. YouTube. You can start a channel related to your interest. You can earn a huge amount of money if you have a large number of subscribers and viewers. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and start a channel either related to vlogging or informational videos, and that's it. Which way did you find the most fascinating and helpful? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of the video, but don't be sad, as we will be back with another amazing video soon. Also, don't forget to smash those subscribe and bell icon buttons so that you don't miss our new video. See you all soon. Thanks for watching.